What's up, guys? Relic Digger's back. Stopped on my way to work and got one of the $2 jumbo bucks. Got one hit 500, and I got one of the Mega Millionaire jumbo bucks. So we're gonna try and retire today. Okay, on the $2, match your number, win the prize, get a jumbo, 5 times the prize. With a symbol hunt, got a 23, 18, 26, 25, 17, 14, 19, 21, 29, and 11. Winning numbers, we got a 20, we don't have a 20, and a 27. So that one is a dud. On the hit 500, get the floating dollar, win 100. Double dollar symbol, win 500. Got a clover and a moon. Okay, down here, match your number, win the prize, get a money bag, instant win. We got 26, 23, 41, 44, 33, 48, 32, 39, 35, 18, 40, 14, 25, 49, and a 43. Winning numbers, we got a 27, no 27. Got a 34, no 34. A 20, no 20. And a 22. Nothing on that one. So on to the big boy. Okay, on this, match your numbers, win the prize. Get a jumbo, win 5 times the prize. There we go. Okay, back. Let's see what we got here. Okay, we got a 48, 25, 42, 26, 44, 15, 45, 39, 21, 41, 33, 46, 43, 36, 22, 27, 12, 14, 28, 20, 34, 16, 29, 11, and a 24. Winning numbers, we got a 37, no 37, 47, No 47. 35. No 35. Got a 50. No 50. 49. No 49. 19. No 19. 40. No 40. And a 30. No 30. So that was a bust session. That's the way it goes. So like, subscribe, comment, share, and Relic Diggers out.